GDP is out at Piedmont Park tonight. We got a full cast of characters. Corey, this your first time?
First time. Yep.
First time?
Yep.
What are you flying with, Corey?
I'm flying with a Mavic Air 2 and I got a Mavic Pro.
Oh, okay. All right, great. All right, well, thanks for coming out, man. Stuart,
Hey.
we got the winner of the 4th of July photography, drone photography. How you feel, Stuart?
Good, real good.
You did some good stuff, man. Appreciate it. Where were you at?
Lake Burton.
Lake Burton. We got Jack Jeffrey here. He got merchandise. He got stickers. We got stickers. $2 a sticker. $2 a sticker. Anybody want a sticker? I got them for you. $2 a sticker. What's your name?
Lawrence Brackett.
Where you from?
Detroit, Michigan.
Detroit, Michigan? This your first time out?
First time.
Oh, well, welcome. Well, hey, you can get a sticker, complimentary sticker. Okay? All right, we got Smalls over here. He brought out the heavy artillery tonight. He got every damn thing, people. He got everything. He got the little drone. He got the big drone. He got mama drone. He got all the drones. We got Ace over here. Ace done got her an Inspire 2. What the hell?
Hey, listen, it's Atlanta Drone Girl, check me out, Instagram, Facebook. This is actually my blog, but I let Lewis take over because he's a master. What I say about him, he's a legend. He's a legend.
Yeah, all right. Wait, stay tuned. Atlanta Drone Girl, she's here tonight, okay? Make sure you follow her on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. She's everywhere. What we got here?
I'm a first timer.
First timer?
My name is Tyler.
Tyler? All right, welcome, Tyler.
Catch me on the group, Tyler Fitzpatrick. You know what I'm saying? We out here enjoying.
You got what's your drone? You got a drone, Tyler?
I got a couple of them.
What you got?
Right now I'm just flying a unique Q500 4K, but I did pick up a ProTech 35. I did pick up a Nazgul V2. So we'll be in the game pretty soon, but I just came out here to get some experience, meet some people, learn what's going on, and get myself into the hobby a little.
All right, hey, that's the way to go, Tyler. All right, we're gonna be looking for some epic stuff out of you, Tyler. Smalls out here flying the FPV. That thing is zooming around at 150 miles per hour. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what the hell? What type of drone is that, Small?
It's home built.
Home built. Home built. It's a beast, people. I'm telling you. Oh, who is it? It's so fast I can't keep up with it. Here we go, right here. There go the beast. Well, get that bird in there, Bob. See your footage in 3 months. Drone LM out at Piedmont Park with Georgia Drone Pilots. I'm doing a videography for Ace, aka Atlanta Drone Girl. She hired me out for $99 an hour. If you want to hire me, please contact me. Drone LM. You know, I'm anywhere in Georgia metro area for $99 an hour. I will come out and be your videographer. Okay? All right. Out.